Getting a vocal to sit in the mix is one of the most important aspects of music production. It can be the difference between a good track and a great one. Here are 5 tips to help you achieve this. Use compression wisely. Compression is a powerful tool that can help control the dynamic range of a vocal performance. However, overcompression can make the vocals sound unnatural and lifeless. Use it sparingly and always listen to the effect it has on the vocal in the context of the full mix. EQ for clarity. Equalization, EQ, can help to carve out a space for the vocals in the mix. Cut frequencies that are not needed and boost the ones that help the vocal shine. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much EQ can make the vocal sound harsh or thin. Use reverb and delay effectively. Reverb and delay can add depth and space to the vocals, helping them to sit better in the mix. However, too much of these effects can make the vocals sound distant and washed out. Use them judiciously and always in service of the song. Automate volume levels. Vocals can vary greatly in volume throughout a song. Automating the volume levels can help to keep the vocals consistent and ensure they sit well in the mix at all times. Consider the arrangement. Sometimes, the problem isn't with the vocals but with the arrangement of the other instruments. If the mix is too crowded, the vocals may struggle to find their place. Consider simplifying the arrangement or changing the instrumentation to give the vocals more room to breathe. Every mix is unique, and what works for one song may not work for another. Always trust your ears and don't be afraid to experiment. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.